Welcome to 2528 du Pressier. This amazing property I just put on the market and I'm really excited about it. We are in West Terrebonne now. Great location, close to highways 19 and 640, and if you take 640 in 15 minutes you will be on highway 15. Then through Laval you will arrive to Montreal. And if your kids play soccer, baseball, tennis or love to skate, there is a park and a with all these amenities. I'm not even talking about proximity to the primary school Toodor and to the secondary school Nurlan. Very quiet family neighborhood. I just put it on the market and it has about 7,000 square feet of land, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 in the basement, 2 bathrooms and 1 powder. Cozy home. It has all benefits for a family. And now let's go inside. The moment you walk in, this is a nice entrance. It's closed and with a big walk-in closet which is very convenient. What I love about this floor, you notice the vast atmosphere the interior of this home radiates. Look at this spacious living room and this gorgeous dining room with windows overlooking the park in front of your home. Cozy kitchen, nice place to cook your favorite meal. And the second floor is your main bedroom floor. 3 bedrooms on this level. Many windows, tons of lights, big walk-in closet in each room. I'm very excited about showing you this home today. The basement is the perfect place to install your home theater system or allow your children to occupy this part of the house as they please. The 4th bedroom and the 2nd bathroom complete this floor. The backyard will allow you to make the most of your summer, especially in this pandemic time. It's very private. You will never see neighbors in the backyard. It has a playground and recently updated above-ground pool, big terrace to have a meal together or to receive your guests and impress them with the layout of your yard. Make an appointment and it will be my pleasure to show you around. Thank you for watching.